Okay, you're good now. We fixed it.
I'm not gonna hit him.
No, you won't.
Got him! Got him! Got him!
Oh, fish off! Yo! Yo, y'all spam W's in the chat right now, yo.
Spam
W's in the chat
W's.
right now.
Oh my God.
10,000 W's. Oh!
Oh, what is that?
Bring them up.
Yo.
Dude.
I'm keeping him!
Dinner.
Yo, look at the mouth on that thing.
I ain't touching that. I ain't getting stung.
Hey.
Here, we have gloves. Do you want to put the glove on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, but look at the mouth on that catfish though. It's massive.
Careful you don't get him by it.
Yeah, careful, don't get stung by it too. Yeah.
I got pliers too, so
Yeah, give me some pliers.
I don't take no chances with no catfish. Yo, everybody in the chat, check that. It's a mini beast? What kind of catfish is it?
I don't need that.
Hey, what's that? Is that? It looks like a gulper catfish, doesn't it?
Walking catfish.
Or a
Looks
walking.
Like it's from Fortnite.
Oh my god. Who does not play Fortnite anymore? Who plays Fortnite anymore? I play GTA 5. You cannot be talking.
Sick. Good catch, yo.
Yep.
Very, very good. My bro did not get it.
We have pliers for it, this young
Oh,
man.
yeah, I got it right here.
There we go.
Ow! You bit me, bro. Shit. Shit.
You okay? You okay?
How are these gloves not good?
No, the gloves are good. Nah,
bit through
no,
it?
they don't have
Yes.
No, they don't have to.
Yeah, but right, I think that's a predatory catfish, just by the size of its mouth.
It's a different type of catfish. No, you just got the hook out.
I don't want to touch it.
Yeah, I got it with
Just
the
grab it by
pliers.
the tail.
There, you want me to release it, please?
Yeah, I'm not gonna
Yeah. So, on the side and on the top, it's got spikes. So I
Yeah.
could try spiking and start
We got a bunch of lines
stinging.
too.
The line's still on.
All
Well,
right.
check out that mini beast.
Monster.
Monster?
Nice one, man.
And I literally tied the hook all by myself. That's crazy.
Nice. You stayed pinned. Good job.
I need to take off this.